Hi dear students, good evening all of you. So first class in this year, very happy new year, very good year ahead. So in this, and all of you are not children, okay? So all of you are grown up, so you know what to do in this year to improve yourself and all. So only one point I want to tell you. Uh, any task, if you want to perform any task, maybe watching YouTube or studying or watching a movie, whatever it is, it can be divided into three categories. Any task you can divide into three values, three types. One is having high value or low value or no value. Okay, so first you decide. If it has high value, then you have to do it immediately. You know whether it is having high value or low value or no value. Okay, so if it has high value, try to do it immediately, and if it has low value, then postpone it. You need not do immediately. That is, you should know how to give the preferences. Okay, and if it has no value, then don't do that. Never do that. Okay, so these 3 points you analyze about your tasks. Whenever you want to do something, before doing that, you analyze whether it is having high value or a low value or no value. Okay, if it is having high value, that is it. If it helps, if you think that if it will help you in improving yourself, then do it immediately. Otherwise, if it has low value, then you can postpone it, and if it doesn't have any value, please don't do that. Okay, you need not, you can forget about that. Don't waste your time in that. Okay, that's what I want to tell you. So today we are going to see the next topic, Unit 3, Class 4, and we have completed normal distribution, and now we are going to see uniform distribution. Okay, in this class we are going to see, it is a very small topic, it is uniform distribution. Very interesting topic, very small topic also. You can expect one question from this. Okay. So uniform distribution, it is a continuous distribution, and in unit 2 we have seen discrete distributions like binomial, Poisson and geometric. And in unit 3 actually first topic is uniform distribution followed by normal distribution, but we have completed normal distribution, we have revised thoroughly normal distribution. Okay, and in uniform, and one more thing, in uniform distribution, generally if it follows, capital X follows normal distribution with mu and sigma. Generally we write like this, it follows normal distribution with mean mu, this is mean mu, and standard deviation sigma. Okay, this is to be read like this, X follows normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma. Okay, if it is a standard normal distribution, then n is equal to 0 comma 1. Okay, mean will be 0 and sigma is 1, then we call it as standard normal distribution. Standard normal distribution. This can be expected. All these theory parts are important, that's why I am telling. All the definitions are important. So next is uniform distribution. First let us see the definition. Variable, a random variable, a continuous random variable. A continuous random variable. Capital X is said to follow uniform distribution. Set to follow uniform distribution if its PDF, what is PDF? Probability density function. If its PDF is given by if its PDF is given by f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a, 1 by b minus a, where a less than x less than b, that is x can take the values between a and b and 0 otherwise. And one more condition, you should know what are a and b values. A should always be less than b. Okay. So 0 less than or equal to x, a less than b less than or equal to less than, you can say less than b and less than infinity. Okay. It can go up to 0 to infinity. That is any real values. A and b are any real values between a and b. Okay. Now let us find out mean. Actually, how do you get this 1 by b minus a? Do you know? Actually, it is a constant. Uniform means what? It is a constant. F of x is a constant, right? So if you have like this, x, this is y or f of x. Y is equal to f of x, you can see. Now if you have a, x is equal to a at the point a and b. Actually, from a to b, it is constant. K. F of x is equal to k. Okay. So what do you know about this? If it is a continuous random variable, then it has to satisfy the total probability should be 1, right? So integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx should be equal to 1, right? So here integral only from a to b it is defined. So integral, it is defined as k. Let us think that it is defined as k. So integral a to b, k into dx is equal to 1. Okay. So this implies k into x by x from a to b is equal to 1. Implies k is equal to k into b minus a is equal to 1. This implies k is equal to 1 by b minus a. That is how we are getting 1 by b minus a. That is uniform, means it is throughout it is same. Okay. Throughout the variables, throughout this interval a to b, it is the same. Therefore, it is a b minus a. Now let us derive the mean. Mean of uniform distribution. Mean, we know that it is e of x. E of x is equal to what? Integral. Because it is continuous, it is integral minus infinity to plus infinity. X into whatever is here, you have to write here. So x into f of x dx. Okay. So, but what do you know about f of x? It is defined from a to b as 1 by b minus a, right? So, integral minus infinity to plus infinity x into 1 by b minus a into dx. So, 1 by b minus a can be taken outside and integral minus infinity to plus infinity, sorry, here it is a to b, not minus infinity. Only from a to b it is defined, right? So, integral a to b x into 1 by b minus a into dx. So, 1 by b minus a is a constant, it is coming outside and integrate this. So, x squared by 2 from a to b, right? So, this is equal to 1 by 2 also I am taking it outside. 2 into b minus a into b squared minus a squared, that is upper limit minus lower limit. So, b squared minus a squared. This can be written as 2 into b minus a into b plus a into b minus a, because it is b squared minus a squared minus b squared formula. So, b minus a will get cancelled. You can write it as a plus b by 2. So, mean mu is equal to a plus b by 2 for uniform distribution. Normal mean means, yeah, yes ma, mu. Yes, mu. For normal distribution, mean is mu. Yes. Not mu minus sigma ma. It is mu. For normal distribution, x is equal to mu sigma. What is that x? I didn't get your answer. Question. Normal mean is x is equal to mu minus sigma. No, ma, normal distribution mean is mu only. For normal distribution, mean is equal to mu. Mean is equal to mu. In the practice session, we have not done. I have uploaded that class in the channel. Okay. That is, this derivation is also important. Mean is equal to mu. Variance is sigma squared. Variance is equal to sigma squared. This proof is available in the channel. Proof is also important. We have derived mean, variance, mode and median also. Okay, all these four are available in the channel. How to derive the mean for normal distribution? Okay, x minus mu by sigma, that is z value ma. Z, okay, you are talking about this. Z is equal to x minus mu by sigma, right? So mu is the mean. Mu is the mean of the normal distribution. Actually, x is only following normal distribution. We are changing that to z. Okay. The relationship between x and z is z equal to x minus. Okay, this is x minus mu by sigma. We have to use in normal distribution. Actually, in the problem itself, they will mention ma. It follows the variable x follows which distribution they will mention. If it is mentioned as normal distribution, then you have to go for x minus mu by sigma and all. Okay. Otherwise, it is uniform means uniform distribution. Mostly it will be written. It will be given. Either it is following Poisson distribution, binomial distribution, and generally binomial Poisson and all we will come to know, even if it is not mentioned. Okay. But normal distribution, definitely they'll mention. It follows normal distribution with mean and mu. Somewhere, some keyword will be there to find out whether it is normal distribution or not. Okay. So this is uniform distribution. Uniform distribution means it is same. It is same. Uniform means same. It is if you take it as a constant. That is throughout A and B. From the value A to B. From the values of x to, from A to B, f of x will be the same. Okay, it is k. How to find out that k value? 1 by b minus a. That is why we write the PDF as f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a. Yeah, difference formula ma. Difference. Yes ma. This is different. Uniform distribution is different from normal distribution. This is uniform, that is throughout the interval it is going to be the same. Okay, it is the same. This is not uniform distribution. Normal distribution is entirely different from uniform distribution. Okay, this is another topic. Understood? So next is variance of uniform distribution. That is generally e of x squared minus e of x the whole squared. Okay, yeah. Okay, Shivakumar. So now let us find out e of x squared. Here you have to remember f of x is equal to uniform distribution. F of x is equal to 1 by b minus a, where a less than x less than b, 0 otherwise or elsewhere. Okay, this is the distribution. So e of x squared is integral minus, by definition it is minus infinity to plus infinity. Whatever is written here, that you have to write here. So x squared into f of x dx, right? So this is equal to, now where is it defined? From a to b only it is defined. Actually you have to understand like this. This is a 0, a, b. So only in this interval it is defined as 1 by b minus a. All the here minus infinity to a, it is not defined, 0. And b to infinity, plus infinity. Here it is minus infinity. This side it is plus infinity. Here also it is 0. Only from a to b it is defined. Okay. So we are defining this, we are splitting this minus infinity to plus infinity into 3. So minus infinity to a, then a to b, then b to infinity. So we are defining into, we are splitting that interval into 3. Okay. So minus infinity to a, it is 0. and b to infinity also it is 0. Only from a to b we are it is defined, the function is defined. So we have to consider only that. Understood? Therefore, now this is equal to a to b, only from a to b. I am not going to write all the three. I am writing wherever it is defined, that is a to b, x squared into 1 by b minus a into dx. Okay, in from a to b it is defined as 1 by b minus a. Understood? So this is equal to 1 by b minus a can be taken outside, and it is integral a to b x squared dx. If you integrate x cube by 3 from a to b. Okay, so this is 1 by 3 into b minus a into, if you substitute b it will become b cube minus, if you substitute lower limit it is a cube, b cube minus a cube. Okay, so and you have a formula for this, that is 1 by 3 into b minus a, it is b minus a into b squared plus ab plus a squared. Okay, so now b minus a will get cancelled. This is actually a formula. Even if you don't remember, sometimes you will get confused. No, when you get confused, you just check. You can check like this. Check the formula. Okay, this is just for remembering. If you don't remember, you can multiply and check. B squared plus AB plus A squared is equal to, you throughout you multiply, that is B cube. First you multiply B with all the three. So B cube plus AB squared plus A squared B, right? Minus AB squared minus A squared B minus A cube, right? So a squared b will get cancelled. A here, a squared b, a into b squared. This is b squared. So ab squared will get cancelled. So you will be getting b cube minus a cube. B cube minus a cube. Okay. So this b cube minus a cube I have written like this. If sometimes if you don't remember the formula, you can check like this whether it is correct, we have written correctly or not. Okay. Sometimes we will forget, no, sometimes we will get whether it is 2ab or ab only, like that we will get. So this is equal to b squared minus, or I can write it as a squared plus ab plus b squared by 3. What is this? E of x squared only. Only one term we have found out. Variance is e of x squared minus e of x the whole squared, right? So e of x squared is this one. So e of x squared minus, actually I want variance. So variance is equal to e of x squared minus e of x the whole square. E of x is nothing but mu. Just now we have found out to be a plus b divided by 2. A plus b by 2. Okay. So now e of x squared is what? A squared plus ab. Just now we have found out a squared plus ab plus b squared divided by 3 minus, what is e of x? A plus b by 2. But the whole squared we have to, right? So this is a squared plus b squared, or you can write a plus b the whole squared divided by 4. This a plus b the whole squared, I can write it as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? Now take LCM, 3 and 4. So LCM is 12 and 4 into these 3 terms and 3 into these 3 terms. Okay. So 4a squared plus 4ab plus 4b squared minus 3a squared minus 3 into already you have 2. So 6ab minus 3b squared. So this is equal to 4a squared minus a squared is a squared. And 4ab minus, so minus 2ab plus 4b squared, so it will be b squared divided by, plus b squared divided by 2. 4b squared minus 3b squared, so it is plus b squared. What is this? A minus b the whole squared divided by 12. Okay, or you can write b minus a also, no problem. b minus a the whole squared by 12 is also fine. Okay. This is by definition, ma. A plus b the whole squared. This is actually, see, this is mean. Mean is mu is equal to, this is our e of x. Okay. E of x is equal to a plus b by 2. This we have found out. Okay. Just expanded this. A plus b the whole squared by 2. This is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared divided by 4. Okay. Yes. Variance is this one only. See, e of x squared. In the place of x squared, you have written this x squared into f of x. F of x is 1 by b minus a. 1 by b minus a has come out. X squared is integration. So, x squared if you integrate. Here after this, what will you get? 1 by b minus a. Integral a to b x squared dx. Okay. So, 1 by b minus a into x squared dx if you integrate. X cube by 3. X cube by 3. Okay, and from a to b. So 1 by 3 into b minus a into, if you substitute the upper limit, you will be getting b cube, and lower limit, you will be getting a cube. Okay, and this is the formula. So if you substitute like this is e of x squared. Only one term we have found out, the first term. We know e of x is a plus b the whole squared. Just substitute and integrate. I mean, simplify. A plus b the whole squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared by 4. Yes, ma. Yes, 1 by 3 into a minus b the whole squared. Yes. Yes. Into 4. Yes. So next one, we'll see some problems. Suppose that a large conference room at a certain company can be reserved for no more than 4 hours. Not more than 4 hours, you can say, or no more than 4 hours. Both long and short conferences occur quite often. In fact, it can be assumed that the length x of a conference, that is how much time it is taking, has a uniform distribution on the interval 0, 4. Shivakumar, your doubt is clear now, no? It will be given in the question. It is following uniform distribution. Okay. So again, once again, you read the question clearly, you understand, try to understand clearly. Suppose that a large conference room at a certain company can be reserved for no more than 4 hours. That is maximum. You can book the room. You can book the conference room only for maximum of 4 hours. Okay. So both long and short conference. That is, it may be for 1 hour, it may be for half an hour, it may be for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, maximum 4 hours only. Not more than that. In fact, it can be assumed that the length x of a conference has a uniform distribution on the interval 0, 4. What is the probability density function? Now we have to find out f of x. The probability density function f of x you have to find out. And what is the probability that any given conference lasts at least 3 hours? Lasts at least 3 hours. Please remember, if you want to find out, if you want to use binomial distribution, you should know NPQ. You should be able to find out NPQ from the given question. Okay. If you are using, this is for binomial. If you are using Poisson, if you want to use Poisson distribution, you should be able to find out lambda. Okay. Or mean you can say, or average. Some terms will be there. Okay. Key terms will be there. That you should be able to find out. Right. NPQ and lambda. And the geometric distribution also PQ. N, PQ you should know. N and PQ you should be able to find out. Then for this one, mean and standard deviation. For normal distribution, mean and standard deviation. Or probability is given, you should be able to find out. You know how to use the table for finding mean and standard deviation. 2 sets of data are given. Then you should be able to find out the mean and standard deviation. Now, for uniform distribution, what are all the required values? 1 by b minus a. According to the definition, it is 1 by b minus a. A less than x less than b. Please remember, A less than x less than b. This is very, very important. Okay, 0 otherwise. Only in this interval it is defined. Now can you tell me in what interval it is defined? In what interval it is defined? In which interval it is defined? It is given explicitly, it is given. Yes, Shivakumar, Simra, Karunakar, Dinesh, tell me. In what interval it is defined, ma? Are you able to follow this? It is f of x is a uniform distribution. Then 1 by, yes, very good, excellent, excellent. 0, comma 4, yes ma, all of you are right, very good, 0, comma 4. Therefore, it will be 1 by 4 minus 0, yes. Shivakumar is right, Simra is right, Dinesh is also correct, excellent, excellent. Understood, right? So, 0 less than x less than 4. Here a value is 0, b value is 4, okay. So, 0 otherwise. That is f of x is equal to, this is the PDF. The PDF is asked, the probability density function is asked. So 1 by 4 where 0 less than x less than 4, 0 otherwise. This is the probability density function. Now, so first part is over. What is the probability density function? Yes ma, uniform distribution, yes ma, yes. So second one is, what is the probability that any given conference lasts at least 3 hours? At least 3 hours. So first one is PDF we have found out. In the second one, P of x greater than 3. See, one important thing, because it is continuous, either you write x greater than 3 or x greater than or equal to 3. It doesn't matter. Okay. So you can write P of x greater than or 3, greater than or equal to 3 also. In that case, 3 to, actually 3 to infinity, minus infinity to infinity will write. 3 to infinity will write, but here where is it defined? 0 to 4 only. So 3 to 4 only. Generally it is from 3 to infinity. Okay, greater than or equal to 3 means right side 3 to infinity. But here only up to 4 it is defined. More than 4 it is 0 otherwise, right? So 3 to 4 f of x dx. F of x dx. What is this? Integral 3 to 4. What is f of x? 1 by 4 into dx. Very simple, very easy questions will be there. So 1 by 4 into x varies from 3 to 4. Okay. It is only constant. Therefore, by integrating we get x. That is 1 by 4 into 4 minus 3, which is 1. So 1 by 4 is the answer. 1 by 4 is the answer. Understood? If you have any doubt, tell me. Otherwise, we'll go to the next problem. See, it is 1 by b minus a according to the definition. This is our PDF. PDF of uniform distribution is 1 by b minus e. So, it is 1 by 4. Okay? Yes. So, f of x is 1 by 4. From 0 to 4 is our PDF. And next second part is x. What is the probability that any given conference lasts at least 3 hours? At least means minimum 3 hours. So 3 to maximum it can be 4. Yes ma. Yes, Simra correct. 1 by 4 is correct. Yes, very good. Very good. So next question. Last question. Very simple topic. Today uniform distribution, it will be very simple topic. X ma. X greater than 3 is asked. Okay. Yes, greater than 3 also fine, or greater than or equal to 3 is also fine, because it is continuous. You can write strictly greater than 3 also. At a particular point it will be 0. Integration will be 0. Okay. That is why whether you write x greater than 3 or x greater than or equal to 3, it doesn't matter. Okay. For continuous distribution. Yes, next is, if x is uniformly distributed with mean 1 and variance 4 by 3, find p of x less than 0. Find p of x less than 0. Find p of x less than 0. How will you find out? Just now we have derived the mean, right? Mean to be a plus b by 2. Mean is equal to a plus b by 2. This is by definition. What is given? Mean is equal to 1. Okay. So this implies A plus B is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. Let us assume that this is equation number 1. Next is variance is 4 by 3. Variance just now we have derived this to be, see, A minus B the whole square or B minus A the whole square. A minus B the whole square divided by 12, right? Or B minus A the whole square divided by 12. A minus B the whole square divided by 12, right? So this is equal to 4 by 3. It is given. 4 by 3. This is by formula. Just now we have derived. Variance is equal to A minus B the whole square divided by 12. Yes, ma. Find the values of A and B. Yes, of course. Yes, very good. Yes. Exactly. You have to find the values of A and B. Yes, very good. Yes. So this is given value. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Here you will be getting 4. So this implies A minus B the whole square. Yes, ma. Those formulas you have to write. Yes, whatever we have derived now. So 4 into 4, this 4 will come to the right hand side. Therefore, it becomes 16. That is A minus B is equal to plus or minus 4. Okay. So we have two equations. A minus B is equal to 4 and A minus B is equal to minus 4. Which one you have to consider? See, listen. A plus B is equal to 2 is equation number 1. Now we got 2. A minus B is equal to 4 is 1. A minus B is equal to minus 4 is 1. This is equation number 2 and 3 you can say, or you just keep it as it is. This is by 1. 1 gives A plus B by is equal to A plus B is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. Okay. Let us solve and find out which value can be taken. Yes, my A minus B is equal to plus 4 and minus 4. Okay. Let us solve both and find out the values. Then decide which is to be considered. Now, if you cancel these two, 2A is equal to 6 implies A is equal to 3. Right? Therefore, B is equal to 2 minus A, that is 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. So here A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 1. This is one set of values we got. Now, cancelling these two, you will be getting 2A is equal to minus 2 implies A is equal to minus 2. So from this 2 minus of minus A, 2 minus A, that is 2 minus of minus 1, which is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So here we got A is equal to minus 1, B is equal to 3. Which one you will consider? This is the first set or second set? Which one you will consider? Can anyone tell me? I got two equations. One is two sets of values for A and B. And should I consider this one or this one? And give the reason also. Which one is to be considered? Now we got two values because I hope you understood. A minus variance is mean is given as A plus B by 2. This is by formula and it is given that mean is 1. Therefore, from this A plus B is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. Then second data given is variance is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. So variance is A minus B the whole square divided by 12. This is by formula. Just now we have derived. This is equal to 4 by 3. It is given. 4 by 3 is given. Okay. This is by formula. We know variance is equal to A minus B the whole square by 12, which is equal to 4 by 3 is given. Second one. Yes, ma. Excellent. Yes. Yes. A is lower. Excellent. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Yes, ma. Yeah. 4 by 3. So, A minus B the whole square is equal to 16. A minus B is equal to by taking the square root, we will be getting two values plus or minus 4. Now we have to decide which is to be considered. So by using the plus 4 value, we got A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 1. By using the second value minus 4, we got this one. So this cannot be considered because greater than 0. Yes, ma. See, A minus C. This is the definition, right? F of x is equal to, according to the definition of uniform distribution, f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a, where a less than x less than b. This condition is important. 0 otherwise. Okay. This condition is important. A should be less than b. Here a is 3, b is equal to -1. So 3 is not less than -1. This is our a and b. Okay. Therefore, you cannot consider this value. This is to be considered. A is equal to -1. Now, a is less than b. So, greater than 0, of course, ma. No, no. No, no, a is not greater than 0. Nowhere it is given, no, ma. Nowhere it is given as greater than 0. A to b only. A to b. Okay. Oh, yeah. Wait. Sorry. Thank you for reminding. It is minus infinity to, not 0. Not greater than. Thank you, Dinesh. Thank you so much. In the first one, you please make a correction. Uniform distribution, if its PDF is given by minus a and b can be, values can be taken from minus infinity. Any real value. It need not be greater than 0. A and B need not be greater than 0. It can take any value, any real values can be assigned for A and B. Okay, minus infinity, less than A, less than B, less than infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity, not 0. Thank you once again, Dinesh. Yeah, so A can be -1. Okay, need not be greater than 0. It can be -1 also. So A is equal to -1, B is equal to 3. So A is equal to -1, B is equal to 3. First let us write f of x, then we can find out the required probability. Okay. So A is equal to -1. So 1 by B minus A, where 0 A less than x less than B. This is our definition, right? So 1 by B minus A is equal to 1 by 3 minus of -1, where -1 less than x less than 3. Okay. 0 otherwise. From a minus b squared, you have to explain. 1 second. Yeah. A minus b the whole squared by 12. This is by formula, Shivakumar, is equal to 4 by 3. And actually this is 12. A minus b squared by 12. This is formula. Okay. Up to here it is formula. It is given that it is 4 by 3. Now 3 and 12 will get cancelled. It is 4. Bring this 4 to the right hand side. So a minus b the whole squared is equal to 16. This 4 will come to the right hand side. Okay. It is 16. Therefore a minus b, taking the square root on both sides, a minus b is equal to plus or minus 4. Okay. A minus b the whole squared is 16. You take the root. So it may be plus 4 or minus 4. So a minus b is equal to plus 4 and minus 4. Consider them separately. A minus b is equal to 4. Already we have found out this equation. A plus b is equal to 2 is one equation. And from variance we got two equations. One is with 4 and -4. Plus 4, if you cancel these two, this is solving the simultaneous equations. So 2a is equal to 6 implies a is equal to 3. Substitute in any one of this equation, you will be getting b is equal to -1. Second equation I have substituted b is equal to, this implies b is equal to 2 minus a. Okay. That will be easier. Anything you can do. Or minus b is equal to a minus 4 also you can do. Any value, you will get the same value. Okay. And here and similarly you can solve these two. Here this cannot be considered because a is greater than b. A is not less than b. According to our definition, it should be less than. Okay. A less than x less than b. Okay. Therefore f of x is equal to, this is our definition. And according to the definition, we cannot consider the first set. Therefore, we are considering only the second set. A is equal to -1 and b is equal to 3. Therefore, it is 1 by 4, where -1 less than x less than 3, 0 otherwise. Okay, this is our PDF. Now, after finding PDF, what is the question? Find P of x greater than 0, right? Find P of x, x less than 0. X less than 0 is asked. So for x less than 0, 1 second. Here itself I'll write. P p of x less than 0 means what? Integral 0 to infinity minus infinity to 0. X less than 0 means minus infinity to 0. But here it is not from minus infinity to 0, minus infinity to minus 1, right? Minus 1 it is not defined. So minus 1 to 0. Remember like this, see, minus 1 to 3 it is defined. Whenever you get a doubt, no, you draw the line, it will be very easy. See, it is 0, here it is minus 1 and here it is 3. In this interval it is defined. Okay, this side it is minus infinity, this side it is plus infinity. Understood? So only from this values it is defined. Less than 0 means what? Where it is defined? From minus 1 to 0 only it is defined. Therefore I am writing, yes ma. Answer is 1 by 4. Excellent. Excellent ma. Yes. Excellent. Simra. Minus 1 by 4 is correct. So minus 1, understood? From minus 1 to 0 it is defined. Okay. That is why I am writing minus 1 to 0 f of x dx. F of x dx. What is f of x? 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 can be taken outside. Minus 1 to 0 just dx. That is 1 by 4 into x from minus 1 to 0. That is equal to 1 by 4 from 0 minus of minus 1. That is minus of minus 1, it will be plus 1. Therefore, it is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is correct. Understood? 1 by 4. Very, very easy uniform distribution. Direct questions will be there. It will be mentioned in the question itself. Okay. So, with this uniform distribution is over. If you have any doubt, ask me. Otherwise, we can close. If you have any doubt, tell me. Otherwise, we'll wind up. Any doubts? Okay. Okay, Shivakumar. Next, we have gamma distribution, then exponential distribution. Almost more than 50% of the unit is over, third unit. Okay. Okay, ma. No doubts. So once again, Happy New Year all of you. And start enjoying studying, okay? Start enjoying the happiness of studying. If you, when the next class is on Monday. Every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, I will conduct this. Okay? Towards the end, if you don't have time, then we'll make it faster. Okay? Next class is on Monday only. Yeah. Start enjoying learning new things. Okay? New things means don't don't think that maths is very difficult and all. It is easy. It is very easy if you understand. Only thing is the problem is from the childhood you people are brought up like that. That is always people will be saying that maths is difficult. No, it is not at all difficult. Who told that maths is difficult? It is very easy actually. Okay, if you understand. The only thing is you have to understand mathematics. Semester exam will be in January end, I think. January end or February. I'll tell you the dates. In the next class, I'll tell you exact dates. Okay, according to I don't have JNTU calendar I was having. I'll find out and let you know. Okay, next class I'll tell you. Thank you so much and enjoy this year. You have to do something for your own improvement. Please work for